Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the PS5 can't use this content error. First, ensure your PlayStation Network account is active and you are properly logged in. Next, verify your console's system software is updated to its latest version. An outdated system can often cause compatibility issues. Finally, check your internet connection for stability and adequate speed, as a poor connection might prevent content verification. These initial steps are crucial for resolving many common problems before diving deeper into more complex solutions. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, your next step is to restore your game licenses. Navigate to the console's settings, then Users and Accounts, and select Other to find the Restore Licenses option. This process can revalidate your purchased content. Also, confirm that the account which originally purchased the content is set as the primary PlayStation 5 console. Lastly, consider rebuilding the console's database from safe mode. This can often fix corrupted data that prevents content access. Sometimes, network configuration can be the culprit. Manually configure your network settings, focusing on the DNS servers. You might find success by using public DNS servers, such as Google DNS, which are 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary. After making these changes, always test your internet connection to ensure everything is working correctly. A stable and optimized network connection is vital for content verification and download. If all previous steps fail, consider deleting and then reinstalling the problematic game or application. This can resolve any corrupted installation files. Remember to back up your saved data if it's not already stored in the cloud. If the error persists even after reinstallation, it's time to contact PlayStation support. Provide them with detailed information about the specific error, message you're receiving, and all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can offer more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.